4 ways on how to make money for stay-home mom using your YouTube channel. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Melanie, aka Content Pairs. If you want to improve your style, be inspired, and get motivated in life, consider joining my squad. All you have to do is click that red button there, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll be notified if I have new upload videos like this. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's get started. You're wondering how will we earn money by uploading videos through YouTube, right? And at first it was hard for me, for my experience, uploading videos consistently, but I'm not generating revenue. Hard to earn money with this, and now I am so thankful that I started my YouTube. So generate income by making these ways that I tried doing and generating money. So first on my list would be applying for affiliated programs. So how will you start this? Apply for things like Amazon, Spreezy. If you don't know about Spreezy, it's an app that you can promote your channel to generate more views, subscribers, and you can grow your channel using this kind of website, which is Spreezy. Then if you apply for affiliated program using Spreezy and Amazon, you get commission for you need to get 3 orders, people that will order through Amazon using your links, and that way you get to pass their associate program. That's the first thing for Amazon. So check out Amazon. I will link in the description all the things you need to know for Amazon affiliated program. And next one is the Spreezy. It's Spreezy when people click that link that you put in your description or sending it to people that you think might need and interested in making their YouTube channel grow or having more views on their videos in any platform that they're using. Spreezy is your way to go. So if they use your link for one campaign of video, you earn $6, guys. So if you're from the Philippines, 6 times 35, it would be it's 210. Sorry for my math. So it's gonna be 210 for one person for one campaign, right? So $6 for one campaign. What if your link, use it for 3 videos, you already generate $18 for one person. That's how Spreezy is. That's how affiliated program is. So next time I will teach you on how to do it properly using your YouTube channel or any platform, so that you will generate income using affiliated program. So this is another ways on how to earn in YouTube. So second ways on how to earn money using your YouTube channel is if you have skills in graphic designing. If you are good in making thumbnails, making your YouTube channel really look nice and stylish, you like editing videos, graphic designing is another way for you to earn money using your YouTube channel. Because if you are doing this stuff and people see that your YouTube channel, your thumbnails are rocking it, they're pretty good, they look great, they look professional, and your banner art too, people will ask, how will you did this? Can you do this to my channel too? And that kind of stuff, you're gonna get a lot of people who will be interested in making their channel look nicer because of you. So you can earn money with that. So it's your time to look for yourself, right, by these skills that you have for graphic designing. And it's your choice how much they will pay you. So it's up to you how much is your worth, how much is your skills worth. So think about that if you're good in graphic designing. Another third ways on how you can use your YouTube channel to earn money is paid video or sponsor video. I am really excited to share it to you that I will have my very first sponsor video. It is a jewelry company, small jewelry company online, and very nice. They have very nice products of personalized jewelries made from copper, made sterling silver. I'm so excited for it, and they will give me some products that I can try on and do a review and make a video out of it. So that's called paid product or sponsor video. So if ever they love for yourself, it's up to you how will you talk to this sponsor, if you want to be paid or if you want to just get some products from them. That's okay. At least you're getting products and you can sell the products, right, that they gave away and gave it for free so that you can make the video for them, right? So it's another ways on how you earn money in YouTube by this paid video and sponsor video. For another thing is you can promote channels, you can promote other YouTuber, you can promote another business and another brand here in in your YouTube channel, and that way they can pay you promoting their channel. So it's another earning for you, another way on how to make money here in YouTube. Think about that. This is my last but not the least, the fourth ways on how you earn money using your YouTube channel for stay-at-home mom, right? Live streaming. I mentioned this the last time if you missed that video for my 8 ideas on how to earn money for stay-at-home mom. Please click this video right here. Yes, but anyways, let's continue. Live streaming. Are you wondering how in the world will I make money using live streaming? A lot of ways. First, if you're promoting a YouTuber or you're promoting a brand or a business using your live streaming, they will pay you. So make sure you get some commission too, or they will pay you specific amount every time you will promote them. So that's first for live streaming. Or another thing is they will pay your day of live streaming, promoting their channels or promoting their giveaways, promoting everything that you can promote for them. You can do it by live streaming, reaching your viewers, and they will reach another viewers, because if you have a big channel too, or if you have a really good channel, they have a good chance to reach your viewers and they can make them as their viewers as well. So it's a win-win for them if you're promoting them, and that's another ways for you to earn money is promoting another YouTuber or influencer, another brand or businesses by using your live streaming. Those are the things or ways. Those are 4 of my ways you can earn money using your YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you got some ideas, inspiration. I am no expert here, but these are just my point of view, and these are some ideas that I think it will work for you as a stay-at-home mom. And not just for stay-home mom, for everybody that are looking for some ways on how they can generate income using their YouTube channel. So thank you guys for staying here and watching my video. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a big thumbs up so that I know if I will make more videos like this. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now. Please comment with the hashtag KLadies so that you get an entry for our grand draw on September 6th. Thank you.